I'm Curt Frye. In this quick movie, I'd like to show you how to calculate the percentage of a total that each value in a data set represents. The sample file I'm using is %of, and you can download that from the link that I provide in the video description below. The data that I'm working with shows sales for individual products, and I'd like to display the percent of total sales represented by each individual product. And yes, you can divide this amount by the sum of all the other amounts, but there is a quicker way to do it. So I'll click in cell D2, type equal, and the function we'll use is %of. The data subset is the amount in C2. We're just working with one individual value, then a comma, and the entire data set, represented by the data all argument, goes from C2 to C9, and I don't want that reference to change when I copy the formula down. So I'll press F4 to make it absolute, right parentheses and enter, and there I have the result. And we'll make it look like a percentage in a second. Now I'll click in cell D2, and to copy the formula down, I will double-click the fill handle at the bottom right corner. There we go. So I have my decimal values, and now with all of those cells selected, I'll go up to the Home tab of the ribbon, and then in the number group, I'll click %, and I'd like a little bit more detail, so I will add a couple of digits to the percentage. So I'll go back to the number group and click the Increase Decimal button. So I'll click there, and I see I have 7.33%, 10.36%, continuing down. Percent of total is terrific for dashboards, and one way that I like to use it in my own work is to identify which of my products and which of my courses are doing best. So if you would like to see the relative contribution of elements within your business or organization, then percent of total will save you time and also will create the summary that you need. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it and subscribe to my channel.